Hello guys, today I'm going to show you this coldest one wake up light. As you can see, there are two of them and with the same way to set it up. So I'm going to show you one. Okay, let's open the box. Here we got the clock itself and power adapter and the USB wire and the user manual. Okay. This is a little different from this one, but it's the same of other. The user manual and the clock and the power adapter and the USB wire. By the way, there is a little gadget to help this clock and to let it stand like this. I like this design very much, but I'm gonna show you how to use this one because it's the same. Okay. As we can see, we can use about 3A batteries to turn it on, but I don't have battery now, so I'm going to use it by the power adapter. Okay, let's turn it on. Now, see, it blinks. Then we can set up the hour. Then touch this button to set up the minute. Then touch it again to confirm it. There is a button to change the intensity of its brightness, like this. You could let it brighter and switch it off, then switch it on and make it brighter, like this. And you could also use this button to change the mode from 12-hour to 24-hour. We can see there is an AM here to show you its 12-hour mode now. Then it becomes 24-hour mode. You see, it disappeared. And next, this is the alarm clock. You can touch it by at least 3 seconds. When it blinks, you could set up the time. Okay. See, it blinks. Then use these two buttons to set up the time. Then touch it again, set up the minute. Then confirm it. When you turn on the clock, you see there will be an icon here to show it's on, and you could use this button to choose the song, to choose the clock song. I don't know how many they have, but I think almost 10, I think, at least. You can see. You could use this to use this button to choose what you like, and touch it again to confirm it. And you could also use this button to change the volume of the sound. See? Touch it again to change the level. There, there are about almost 15 level of it. Okay, then when in the morning and the alarm goes off, you could touch this button to enter the snooze mode, and the clock will ring after about 5 minutes or at least 2 minutes. Then this is the most interesting mode, and I like it very much. You see, when I switch it on, I could use it as a bedside lamp. Then use these buttons to make it brighter and dimmer. Then touch this button again, I could change the light automatically. You see? It changed color automatically. It's very beautiful, I think. Then we can switch it off. Okay, there is a very interesting design and I like it very much. This is the sleeping time setting, and when I turn on the lamp and do some reading or other things, it could switch off automatically. So next I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, touch this button for at least 3 seconds. When it blinks, you could set up the time. It's about 11:25 now, so I'm gonna set it up to 11:27. Okay. Then it's okay. Then confirm it. When you turn on this mode, there will be an icon. Then the lamp goes on, and we can see it will become dimmer now, and when the time's on, it will switch off automatically. See, it becomes dimmer. You don't have to go off the bed to turn it off by yourself, because it will do it automatically. Very convenient, I think. I like this design very much. You see, it becomes much dimmer now. And it's about 11:26 now. When it's 27, see, it switch off automatically. Very cool. And this is the FM radio mode. I don't know why there is a FM radio on the clock. I think I'm not gonna use it, but you could use whenever you like. To sum up, this is a very powerful tool in home appliance, and I like it very much. I will definitely keep it in my bedroom. Thank you for watching.